This video is focusing on utilizing the Print to Smart function on laptops or computers that have the Smart Notebook on them. We will be using Smart Notebook and printing a PDF to Smart Notebook and annotating on top of the PDF in Smart Notebook and recording using Screencast-O-Matic. So to be able to do this, you do have to have the Smart Notebook installed, which is a part of the Smart Learning Suite. If you're part of the district, you can download this from the Software Center. Once that's installed, you can open your PDF and use the print option. Within your print settings, one of the options is Send to Smart Notebook. So you can see I have printers listed here, but Send to Smart Notebook is what we're going to be focusing on. So once I have that in, I can choose my pages to print. If it's a multiple page document, it will take each page into Smart Notebook. I hit print, and what happens is, just like printing to a printer, the PDF is sent as individual images to Smart Notebook. And you'll know it's ready when you see the Smart Notebook pop up on your screen. It may, if you are in tablet mode, it may help to switch using the notifications icon to switch out of tablet mode so that you get the Smart Notebook notification when it's done. See, mine popped up right here. So I can click and open Smart Notebook, and my PDF is now a part of my notebook. So I can zoom in and out on my notebook, but I can also resize my PDF image. Now this is technically a never-ending page on my notebook, so I'll zoom back in to see my PDF. And then again, I can move my image around, and it is an image now. It is no longer a PDF. So it is a part of my notebook, just like bringing in any image, and I can use my tools here to lock in place so that when I'm writing, things don't move around on me. So I am now ready to use the inking tools in Smart Notebook. So I have my tools up here. I can choose the different pens or highlighters that are available to me. And I can come in and work with my students just like I would if I was under the document camera at school. I can talk to them about how headings mean different things. Subheadings can give us a hint into what we are getting ready to read about. If I need to move my document up, I pop back to my arrow and I can now scroll up on my document and continue highlighting. While I am working with my students, I can continue to annotate and work through, possibly reading parts of the document with them, just as we would in class while we are practicing. We can have the conversation about the different meanings of having numbers spelled out. So 3.2 million written out versus 710,000. And then have these conversations like I would as a teacher in class and export this if needed as an image to my Google Classroom so my students can see my annotations while I'm recording and while they're watching the video. Also to have my annotations available when they're getting ready to annotate their own work. So again, this was a simple print send to Smart Notebook using my notebook feature as a part of my computer and recording using Screencast-O-Matic.